Welcome back to Rocky Mountain Gardens. And my name is Mary, in case you're new here at my channel. I wanted to say happy Friday to you, and I really hope that you had a wonderful Thanksgiving yesterday. Now, next week, I just wanted to let you know I'm going to be having my usual Friday video, but there will be a bonus video, probably Monday or Tuesday next week, because I wanted to share with you different parts of my home and how I've decorated. And I'm so excited to show you my bedroom because I'm kind of going over the top in my bedroom this year. And in any case, come on with me as I decorate my front porch. Here we are with a very dirty porch, dirty chairs, grime everywhere, and my job now is to give this a good clean. The first thing I have done is put up my outside Christmas lights. I did it about a week ago because the temperatures have really dropped and we had a warm patch. So I like to get that done when it is warm enough that you know your fingers are not just freezing off. I always begin with my broom, and I use it to remove all the spider webs and maybe spiders or other bugs that are around my doorway. Next, I use my Black & Decker rechargeable leaf blower, which is very lightweight, easy to use on a project like this. And after all of that dust and the leaves and so on have been removed, I get my bucket out and work on cleaning up all of the surfaces on my porch to get them ready for decorating. This wreath I made a couple of years ago. It may look familiar to you. And guys, it is so cute. I could just use it every single year. Here's my cute little snowman. And now for this corner of my porch where I am adding some florals. I like to sort of feather them out so they look more full. And then because the base of this piece is made of floral foam, I can add additional pieces just by pushing them there into the floral foam, and it looks much, much better. And lastly, I'm going to do a few little floral pieces in my watering can. We always have to have a touch of gardening in our design, at least here at Rocky Mountain Gardens. Our next step will be for me to share with you everything I've done on my porch, including some little special areas that I wanted you to see. Now it's time for me to show you around my completed, decorated, and cleaned up porch. You can see I have lights, which we'll take a look at after this daytime little tour. We're going to come out here after dark and give you a nighttime view. But let's walk on over to my porch. And there you can see the little snowman that I placed earlier with some greens around it. My welcome mat. And I always use this Mary sign at my entrance, along with this lovely wreath. Above my door, I didn't put any lights this year, but I used this rag garland and a jingle bell garland together. I think they look cute. And then down here on this little corner vignette, every year I love putting together a floral arrangement for right here by my door. And this year I've used these after Christmas sale poinsettias that are frosted with snow. They are ones that I got for probably about 90% off. And then I just added some greens and a little snowman sign to it. It was very quick to put together. Now, of course, I have my lantern here greeting my guest at the door in a cute little snow and sledding and hot cocoa sign from Dollar Tree. And then down here I have a little blue Santa. He's a cutie, faux wood. And I just love my toy soldier teddy bear. He's darling. So I think this is a nice greeting for my guests when they come to my home. Of course, on my chairs, these little rocking chairs, I have pillows, and right here you can see a snowman pillow that a friend of mine made. It is a handmade one. Very, very cute. And then on my table here, I have a birdhouse. I love a red birdhouse for Christmas. On the bottom shelf, we have an elf boot with a little birdie, a little winter birdie. On this chair, I have this plaid wool with the green tones in it, perfect for Christmas time in the winter. On my corner table here, I have another of the frosted poinsettias, and then we have a cute little Christmas sign, my lantern, and I did rearrange this a bit too. Moved my Santa. He's peeking out right there next to the watering can. Thank you so much for stopping by today. And don't forget to give me a like. You can share my video with one of your friends who might enjoy it as well. And of course, subscribe please if you like what you see here. I hope you enjoy this evening look coming up of my porch. And this is Mary saying Merry Christmas to all of my friends here on YouTube.